Alright guys, so before we get into this video, I want to let you guys know about a super dope cook group that I partnered up with to help you guys. It is called Unlimited Cook, man. They help you out with a lot of things. They help you out with bots. They help you about with confirm release dates, confirm shock drops, and usually, you know, we get the notification from my J23 app. We get it from Soul Links and stuff like that. But with this cook group, they send you a link 30 minutes to an hour before those shock drops that happen, man. So this is a super fire cook group because they don't only help you out with sneakers, they help you out with Supreme. They help you out with a lot of different restocks surrounding the sneaker community in whole. So yeah guys, I collaborated with them and they're offering you guys, my subscribers, the Vintage Gang, a $5 off coupon code. I have a custom link down below. All you gotta do is put in DeVintage. You click that link in the description and it takes you straight to register to enter into the Discord group. If you go onto it manually and just go to Unlimited Cook, everything is sold out, but they help me out and they're gonna help the Vintage Gang out by getting into this exclusive Unlimited Cook group. So before I wanted to set anything in stone, I wanted to see how the app worked myself. And as you guys see, man, I have an unboxing straight from Yeezy Supply. I told you guys I have never hit on Yeezy Supply, but shouts out to Unlimited Cook group. They helped me out by getting my most anticipated Yeezy of 2020. So take advantage of this opportunity and enjoy the rest of the video, man. Let's get it. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man back with another video, and today we have an unboxing straight from Yeezy Supply, man. I've been waiting for this shoe to come out all year and I finally have it today. You know, usually with me, I'm always taking the L on Yeezy Supply or Adidas.com, and I usually hit on these Yeezys through Foot Locker, Champ Sports, and stuff like that. You guys do know most of those stores are shut down and we don't even know when they're gonna open back up in my local area, man. So the only hope for me to cop these Yeezys was Yeezy Supply and Adidas.com, man. So like I said, I finally have my most anticipated Yeezy for 2020. I'm super excited to unbox these joints for you guys. So if you're new to the channel right now, what you guys do is subscribe right now, ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Make sure you smash that like button to go for every video is 300 likes. You guys already know what to do. If you watch this video, like it right now. And head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It will be linked down below in the description box. All right, guys, so it literally just came in straight from Yeezy Supply. My first ever time hitting on Yeezy Supply. I was super shocked that I did. So let's get right into this joint real quick. Got the red and clear tape right here on the side, of course. I must say it's way better than Nike because, as you guys do know, Nike has the just do it across the whole box when you get your package on your front doorstep, man. And that is something not a lot of people like, and not even me myself. Even me living on a military installation, I still do not feel safe with a big box sitting on my front porch saying Nike and just do it across the box, man. And as you guys do know, I did a live cop on my channel, had a couple of different people on there, and I was even telling them this is my first time ever taking a W on Yeezy Supply. As you guys do know, the past week we got the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfurs that released. I was originally in a raffle with the Adidas app, but I ended up hitting on Yeezy Supply maybe like 30 minutes before the raffle was over, man. So let's pull these joints out the box, man. You guys already know 350 on top, got the boost going across the side, and let's pull these out real quick, like. And this is something new, man. Each shoe is like pretty wrapped, as you guys can see. But it's my first time seeing it like that, so let's go ahead and unwind these joints out of the tissue paper. And here we have it, Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfur joints, man. On pictures and stuff online, it looks very washed out and doesn't look as bright as it does right now. I'm gonna give you guys a lot of B-roll with this shoe, but I'm very excited, like I said, that I got these in the collection finally. I did a most anticipated Yeezy releases of 2020, and these joints were on it, man. So here you have it, Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfurs. Very fire sneaker. I was gonna do a review on feet over these, but it's like super late to even drop it. I don't think people are really looking forward to on feet over a Sulfur 350 V2. But I did want to unbox this shoe for you guys, let you guys see it a little bit. And I'm really liking how the quality is looking on these. The last couple Yeezys I had a lot of quality control issues, but this one right here looks very good. And like I said, the pictures online does not do the shoe any justice at all. You to get any 3M on this shoe, you guys already know, like some of the past Yeezy 350 V2s have had the reflective hit on the side, or either the laces were reflective. I'm really liking the transition from the darker green up top and the lighter green on the midsole, and just let that gum outsole pop a lot harder. I feel like on pictures it looks like more of a dark gray or dark brownish gray, but when you get in the hand, you're gonna see that these joints are actually like a green, like a military green or something like that. You guys already know on the left shoe, you get your little tag right here, of course, nothing crazy, nothing fancy. And right here, when you usually see Supply 350, it's see-through right here, of course, and you get like a more vibrant green peeking through the prominent on the side. What's very dope about this shoe is you get a gray insole, which has nothing to do with the shoe as far as the colorway, but all on the inside, of course, you can see your Adidas Yeezy. You have your 3 stripes on the heel. Inside you get some white tissue paper, nothing crazy. And that maybe would have been really fire if they put some 3M laces on these joints just to give it something different, just give it a little extra pop. Although we still gonna attract a lot of eyes due to the color of the shoe, man. It's a very fire colorway, and you're definitely gonna be breaking some necks. Another thing that would have been dope as well if they would have threw maybe like a yellow or red dots going across the pull tab, just so it can break some of that minimalistic style already on the shoe. I already showed you guys the bottoms, but as you can see, man, of course it's an all gum bottom, and on the heel of the shoe, you see that yellow popping through saying Boost. And you will definitely see this shoe on some of my upcoming lookbooks I have coming on the channel. When I was dropping my video talking about my most anticipated Yeezys of 2020, it was always between the linens and the sulfurs, but now that I got them both in hand, these definitely are my favorite Yeezys to release this year. But don't get me wrong, the linens are super fire. All right guys, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing over these Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfurs, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel already. And if you do not want to miss any other videos that drops on the channel, make sure you smash that notification bell as well. Please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's unboxing, man. Peace.